Get ready to skip the email. Booking your marine travelers or conducting a crew change on Fly2C is a simple process. Traveler data is easy to upload or add on the fly. You can book a single reservation or multiple on-signers and off-signers to and from different cities in the same session. Select the date of the crew change and the city where the change is to occur. Then simply select the cities for your joining and leaving crew. The system will search from marine, published, and even low-cost carriers. Select the option that best suits your price and schedule. Then, select which traveler from your database who will be flying. You can check visa requirements, refundability, and baggage rules during the process. You can refer to the crew overview screen as you build your full crew change. It's simple to add multiple origin and destination cities for your joiners and leavers, and multiple travelers from and to each city in the same session. Use the same process to book your off-signing crew. Booking for marine travelers has never been simpler. Skip the email. Book through Fly2C.